Hi friends, I hope you are doing great. Have you ever wondered whether there is a simple thing which you can do in the morning and which makes you successful? I have thought of this and I have gone through some of those simple things which when performed in the morning makes us successful. And the best one which I found among those were making your bed. It is as simple as that. Successful people are known to make their bed or arrange their bed properly in simple words as soon as they get up. And this is what that has been followed by many people and it has given them good results. The first thing which you do in the morning as soon as you wake up will have an impact on your complete day. So, if you make sure that you are successful in completing your very first task that you are going to perform as soon as you wake up, then there is a high chance of probability that you would also succeed in every other task that you take up as you go along across the day. And so why not you make sure that the first task that you take up will be as easy and as difficult for you, so that ultimately you feel confident that you have completed your first task as soon as you wake up. And here it comes that the first task which gives you the confidence that is required for the whole day is making your bed. It's just you need to wake up and arrange your bed properly, and once you do it right, you will know that you will feel that sense of confidence that you have done a task successfully very soon as you wake up, and it creates a positive mindset of approaching towards other tasks that you face as you go along the day. I follow this method. Every day I make up my bed. Even if you're not using your bed, or if you're sleeping on a mat, or if you're sleeping on the floor, something, the first thing is you need to arrange them properly as soon as you wake up. And you know that as soon as you return from your work or your workplace, when you just go before your sleep, you will feel happy to find that everything is organized and arranged, and it helps you to sleep with a positive thought in mind. Just feel how it would be just when you are about to sleep, everything is messy and unarranged. So if you have make sure that you had arranged your bed early in the morning itself as soon as you woke up, then you really feel happy that everything is arranged for you while you go to sleep at night. This has been followed by many across the world, and many people say that this simple task of making your bed has a positive impact, and it is scientifically proven. So next time when you wake up, I suggest you to not to wait for your brother or parents or the housemaid to arrange your bed. You just arrange your bed yourself, and it gives you a sense of feeling that you have done something for yourself without anyone's help too. Follow this and you will observe change gradually. If you're already following this, you continue it. If not, you follow this method and try to observe how your day goes on. Thank you very much.